Don't do it. It's no good.
It's over there.
I know it's right there, but you can't push it because then your water is going to go bye-bye. Good afternoon, family. So I am just getting home. I had to run to the store and I ended up getting myself new dishes because I like teal. So I think I'm gonna switch dishes and I think I'm gonna do these. I only got 3 for right now, but I'll get more. And then I got Eric some new baby dishes. So he's got 4 new plates. And then I did grocery shopping and we're about to do lunch right now. Huh, Boogie? We gonna do lunch and then take a nap? You want your plate?
Cook.
Oh. And Eric got a little special something for Halloween because I'm super stoked for Halloween. And apparently so is Hot Wheels. And Hot Wheels has done Halloween cars. See? Halloween 4-pack. So why not? Here, baby. He's gonna open them. I helped him out a little. There you go. There's your cards. Woo! Get your cards, baby. Can you get him out of there? Can you go like this? And those are the cars, guys. I like this one. There you go, baby. Now it's time to make some lunch. So it's like 2:30 and I just woke Eric up because Grandma's been here waiting to play with him. Are you awake, Eric? He's still not fully awake. He's kind of being quiet and playing. But Grandma's here for a visit, and I think we're going to have to go and get her some... Oh my gosh. You had to push the buttons. She's playing with Eric. Take them off, though. You don't have to push the button. No, look at you put, they're smart cars. You put them on these different spots and they react to it. Anyways, she has to try, what are those things called? Cotton candy grapes. So we're gonna go get her some grapes. So apparently the love of these tracks runs in the family. Eric is getting very frustrated with us because we're trying to play with the track and he just wants to take it apart. And we're trying to build a cool track.
2 trucks, farm trucks. Which truck is like a giant lawnmower? Look at this. Cutting the grass, a combine harvester, a tractor and baler, front loader. This is James. This is a wonderful party. There are presents and balloons and silly hats to wear.
Papa.
I left Grandma home with the baby while I went and got grapes, cotton candy grapes, to let her try. Eric, here. No, that's Grandma's grape. Here. No.
They're ugly.
They're green grapes. Eric, give me the grape.
I think they squirt cotton candy in them then.
Bye-bye.
They're non-GMO.
How do you know?
Because it said they're organic. And it says non-GMO organic.
How do they do that?
I don't know. Eric doesn't like them. Call me a liar.
He ate his cookie.
Good. They're so good, guys. If you guys have a chance, try cotton candy grapes. I just came in here to fill up my water cup. You have to see this. Eric, what are you wearing, baby? You're wearing Mama's shoes?
Suspenders or something? I think it's like suspenders. Oh wait, no, it's actually a fan.
That one's on backwards. This is bad that I'm laughing about it.
My hair looks.
Oh. Time. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. You unplug the tub. No. No touch. I see that thought process. Don't do it.
Oh, so good.
Don't do it. It's no good.
It comes in.
I know it's right there, but you can't push it because then your water's going to go bye-bye. And then you'll be out of the tub and you won't have a bath. No, not going to fill it back up. Because it's a waste of water if you just drain it, so I'd fill it back up. You don't want it? Really? I don't know if this helps him to learn how to talk or if it makes him think that he's actually speaking in English, but I find it funny. What is that? Is that a dolphin? Can you say dolphin? Dog! Apparently dolphins are dogs now. Anywho, Eric's taking a bath. And I'm enjoying a glass of wine while he takes a bath because, I don't know, I'm just emotionally and drained today. I think it was, part of it was that I've been so active for the last while that by doing nothing today, I just am drained. I didn't do anything. I sat around with my mom today because if you guys haven't followed in the previous vlogs, well then go back and look and you'll find out. But my stepdad had his biopsy done today, so now we get to wait a week to find out any more news on it. So the biopsy went well. Everything's fine. He's back home right now. It was a long day of sitting around and waiting. And it'll be a long couple more days to sit around and wait because it's a hurry up and wait game. But anyways, so that's the deal for today. Little Boogie's taking a bath. I should say taking a nap. I need to take a nap. Little Boogie's taking a bath. And then are you going to go to bed nicely? Probably not. Maybe. I don't know, for the last couple nights, he's actually gone to bed really well in his big boy bed. Only issue that I've had and the only time I've had to pull out the pack and play has been for naps. So he has had to take a couple naps in his pack and play, but other than that, he's been doing really good in his big boy bed.